First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever that needs to be pressed and hold towards the left side, and then we lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold the lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, there you see the turn signal bulb from the front, and behind that is the plug for the turn signal right there. Showing you again the spot of the plug right there, and I will punch in my arm just like that. Here I'm trying to show a zoom in angle. We grab the plug and then we turn it anti-clockwise. Then we pull the plug outwards. There's that bulb with the plug. To take out the bulb, we will just pull it outwards. That's how the bulb is taken out. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter this way or the other. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb back in the plug and then press the bulb to a point until you hear a clicking sound. There's the bulb installed. Now we will go ahead and put it back to where it came from. We will punch in the plug and we'll make sure it's completely in. Only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, and it's not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of the turn signal bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We lower the hood up until the very end, and then we push the hood from top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.